Traying basa kinong penyat jaka jenguk kai bat kinong sensar shnong mentakasngi ke shitarik nailar arah jar pesau kila ajing mut di menteri rangba ban bu no daki turis polis kenang ban ai kejing shnga ni kinong wan kai perthei kani kejing kendo jongki menteri rangba ukan rat ke sangma bat kumju menteri katana jenguk kai uba polling do kalong hadian bakladon kejing kta jong kejing wan kinong wan kai nabar na kejing bat kensan ke seng henyo trap National Youth Front East Khasi Hills yaki kali nabar dangshan ha tengar Habakaran syakila pathai khobor uba Alan West Kharkongor ulaong baka weipat kajing ajing mut kalong ban penhe no kloi ya kajaka dam ling sun ha umrai khanang baki ling sun kin her bat kin dam bej sak hang ni hajela klemdan kam shu ban hiar ha Guwahati laong balada ka don kaling sun ka her bej na umrai sha Chennai Bangalore Mumbai bat Delhi kajing tingkhu jong kalet kawan khamtam bat ka Assam kan weng kumba prapha persen ya kajing e Gila kenturu ya ka sarkar bakan penbiang ya ki bor pahara ban ai kajing shnga ni ki nongwan kai perthei syakani ka jala.
We have met the CM and we have handed over to him a memorandum that expressed its concern about the recent incident in Kerala where tourists were stopped by an NGO halfway and sent back to Shillong or Guwahati. Condemned the incident and we have urged upon the state government to handle the situation. Not only Untungar, prior to Untungar there has been incident in Shillong and Rivai that has created a sense of fear for people travelling to the state of Meghalaya. So it is the duty of the state government to ensure that tourists are safe while entering the state of Meghalaya or travelling inside the state of Meghalaya. And for us in the tourism sector, we need only one thing. Law and order has to be maintained, peace and harmony. So it is the duty of the government to ensure that the state is under the situation where peace and harmony prevails so that tourism can flourish. Given our concern, but we have also given our suggestions how to improve situation in the tourism sector, especially with regards to the current issue of the transporter. We have urged upon the state government to improve or expand the Umrah airport because we realize that the entire problem is because we are still depending on Guwahati airport. We are happy to see that the High Court has recently issued a statement asking the state government, the central government and the Airport Authority of India to see that mid-size aircraft like the A320 which can carry 180 passengers should land at Umrah Airport. The CM has stated that even the state government is serious about this issue and he has assured that they will take up the matter seriously. And of course, there are certain things that the Airport Authority of India has also stated, best known to the government. We also do know about the details, but we have only one thing to say that if the government of Meghalaya, government of India, and Airport Authority of India works together to ensure that these mid-size aircraft can land at Umrah, and also not connected only to Calcutta but connected to major cities of India. To start with Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi. I think if we can do this, we are very positive that 80% of the problem that lies with the transportation sector will be solved. So this is one solution that we have offered. Second, state government to enforce security, sense of security in the tourist identified location, like Sora, Dauki, then Amarem. We have mooted the idea of having tourist police, and the CM has welcomed this suggestion, and the tourism department will work on details on how to take forward this suggestion given by us. The CM has also given his idea of engaging local youths, if not entirely, the tourist police will be handled by police department, but also engage local youths. We have also suggested that to take the service of the village defense party, but it has to be organized in such a way that the youths that are being taken as tourist police will be professional in the line of tourist police of Thailand and Singapore. So point number 3 is we also insist on again maintaining peace and order in the state, so that whatever we invested, I'll tell you, in the last 10 years, this tourism has expanded to rural areas, and people has made investment in terms of taking loan, either to make a homestay or a guest house. For people in the rural areas, to take a loan of 2 and 3 lakhs is not it's an issue that is a concern for them if they cannot repay back the loan. So we are also worried about stray incidents of the like of similar to Umtangar should not be repeated, so that disturbances should not be created in the state that will create fear in the mind of visitors to the state of Meghalaya. I think Pak Bandung can also add.